Did you know that the liver is one of the few organs in our body that has a unique capacity to regenerate itself? Even after up to 90% of its damage, the liver can still regrow to its normal size. Impressive, right? But that doesn't mean this vital organ is invincible. Our liver works tirelessly to filter our blood, metabolize nutrients, and break down poisons. But sometimes, due to our poor diets and lifestyle habits, this multitasking machine can get overloaded and sluggish. An overworked liver can lead to various health problems, such as fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. Thus, it is essential to take care of your liver through a healthy diet. And in today's video, we'll reveal the 10 best foods that can help you clean out your liver and keep it working at peak efficiency. So, without more ado, let's dive into the list of these liver-cleansing foods. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most powerful foods when it comes to keeping your health in check. This incredible spice has been used for centuries in Asian cultures as a medicinal herb due to its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And when it comes to liver health, turmeric is considered by many as a superfood. This spice contains curcumin, which is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and help the liver detoxify heavy metals. It also helps repair and regenerate liver function, stabilizes mitochondria, which can prevent cancer, and decreases fat in the liver. So incorporating turmeric into your diet today, whether through curry dishes or a warm cup of turmeric milk, can greatly benefit not only your liver, but also your overall health and well-being. From digestion to detoxification, turmeric is a must-have food for maintaining a healthy liver. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, turnips, cabbage, radish, wasabi, mustard, and arugula are all rich in a natural phytonutrient called sulforaphane. This compound is known for its ability to detoxify the liver and reduce inflammation, which can lead to insulin resistance, high insulin levels, diabetes, and even cancer. It can also help with liver fat and enhance liver function. Eating these vegetables can also improve insulin sensitivity, support blood sugar levels, and reduce free radical damage. While some of these veggies may have a bitter taste, there are endless ways to prepare them in a delicious way and bring out their natural goodness. Just make sure not to overcook them to retain their health benefits. Number 3. Garlic. While garlic may not be the most desirable food for your breath, it is a powerhouse when it comes to liver health. This pungent herb contains sulfur compounds, which help protect the liver from damage and promote detoxification. It also has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties that can help fight off infections, regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even have anti-cancer effects. Some studies have also shown that eating raw garlic or garlic powder can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, decreasing the risk of fatty liver disease. Simply put, this superfood is like a shield for your liver against all sorts of toxins, and it's a must-have in any liver-cleansing diet. Number 4. Avocados. Now, this creamy and delicious fruit is not just great for making guacamole. Avocados are also excellent for liver health. This green gem contains glutathione, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps the liver detoxify and repair itself. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the liver, preventing diseases like hepatitis, fatty liver, and cirrhosis. The healthy fats found in avocados can also help regulate cholesterol levels and support bile synthesis, which is essential for a healthy liver. All you have to do is consume 1 avocado a week to reap its benefits and keep your liver functioning at its best. Number 5. Beets. Beets have always been known as a superfood for their numerous health benefits, and when it comes to liver health, they are no exception. They can help detoxify the liver and reduce liver enzymes, which can be elevated due to various reasons, such as alcohol, medication, or fatty liver disease. The phytonutrients found in the pigments of beets can also activate the release of bile salts, which decreases fat accumulation in the liver. They are also hepatoprotective, meaning they protect the liver cells from damage and can significantly reduce inflammation in the liver. This can slow down the progression of liver diseases such as fibrosis, scar tissue, and cirrhosis. Just make sure to add some fiber with beets to balance the sugar and avoid blood sugar spikes. Number 6. Red grapes. Grapes are not just a delicious snack, but they are also a rich source of antioxidants and vitamin C, which support the growth of liver enzymes that are vital in removing carcinogens from the body. Carcinogens are cancer-causing substances, and by consuming grapes, you can help strengthen your liver's ability to fight off these harmful toxins. Dark red or purple grapes in particular are known to be even more beneficial for liver health due to their high antioxidant content. These antioxidants, such as resveratrol, flavonoids, and quercetin, play a significant role in protecting liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress to maintain a healthy liver. Number 7. Mushrooms. While mushrooms are not typically considered a detox food in the traditional sense, they do play a crucial role in supporting liver health. They are packed with antioxidants and contain high levels of glutathione, which is essential for liver function. Glutathione helps protect the liver from free radical damage and supports its natural detoxification process. Certain types of mushrooms, like turkey tail, reishi, and oyster mushrooms, have been shown to be particularly beneficial for liver health. They are also hepatoprotective, so similar to beets, they help protect the liver cells from damage and can reduce inflammation in the liver. Number 8. Citrus fruits. Well, who doesn't love a juicy orange or tangy grapefruit? Not only are these fruits delicious, but they're also great for your liver health. Citrus fruits like grapefruit, oranges, limes, and lemons are all packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and fight off harmful toxins. They also have the ability to activate liver enzymes, which assist in the body's natural detoxification process. Eating citrus fruits regularly can help reduce liver inflammation, improve liver function, and even lower the risk of liver disease. Number 9. Extra virgin olive oil. Although it's called an oil, extra virgin olive oil is actually a healthy fat that can provide numerous benefits for your liver. Just a small amount, like 1 teaspoon in your salad dressing, can have significant improvements on your liver enzymes. It also helps decrease fat accumulation in the liver and improve insulin sensitivity, which reduces the risk of fatty liver disease. Plus, it also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce liver inflammation and support overall liver health. So, instead of using so-called bad fats like butter or vegetable oil, opt for extra virgin olive oil to make your liver and life healthier. Number 10. Leafy greens. The last but certainly not the least liver-cleansing food on our list is leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula are all rich in chlorophyll, a substance that helps cleanse and detoxify the blood flowing through your body. This helps reduce the amount of toxins that your liver needs to filter out, reducing its workload and promoting overall liver health. Leafy greens are also an excellent source of fiber, which can aid in weight management and reduce the risk of obesity-related liver diseases, like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. You can enjoy leafy greens in a variety of ways, like you can add them to salads, sauté them with some garlic and olive oil, or blend them into a green smoothie for a nutrient-packed meal. The possibilities are endless. So, there you have it, folks, our list of the 10 best foods to cleanse and support your liver. All of these foods are nutrient-dense, readily available, and easy to incorporate into your diet. Besides consuming these foods, avoid fatty, fried, and processed foods, limit your alcohol intake, eat less sugar, and stay hydrated to keep your liver functioning at its best. With a healthy diet and lifestyle, you can give your liver the love and care it deserves and keep it working efficiently for years to come. But as we always say, Consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, because your health is invaluable. We hope this video has inspired you to make positive choices for your liver health and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Until next time, keep eating healthy and be well.